Did you know that eating oats every day can transform your health? From boosting weight loss to improving digestion and heart health, this simple superfood is packed with incredible benefits. Stay with me as I break down 9 scientifically proven reasons why oats should be a staple in your diet. Oats are one of the most nutritious and beneficial foods you can incorporate into your daily diet. They provide essential nutrients that support various aspects of health, making them a staple food for those seeking overall well-being. One of the most significant benefits of oats is their role in weight management. Many people mistakenly believe that consuming oats leads to weight gain due to their carbohydrate content, but in reality, oats can aid in weight loss. The high fiber content, particularly beta-glucans, creates a feeling of fullness that reduces overall calorie intake. By keeping hunger at bay, oats prevent unnecessary snacking and help maintain a calorie deficit, which is essential for shedding excess weight. Unlike refined carbohydrates that cause rapid spikes and crashes in blood sugar, oats provide a slow and steady release of energy, keeping insulin levels stable and reducing cravings. This makes them an excellent breakfast choice, ensuring sustained energy throughout the day while preventing overeating. Beyond weight management, oats significantly benefit heart health. Cardiovascular diseases remain one of the leading causes of mortality worldwide, and dietary choices play a crucial role in prevention. Oats contain soluble fiber that binds to cholesterol in the digestive tract, preventing its absorption into the bloodstream. Studies have shown that regular consumption of oats lowers LDL cholesterol, commonly referred to as bad cholesterol, while potentially increasing HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. This dual action helps reduce the risk of plaque buildup in arteries, lowering the likelihood of heart attacks and strokes. The antioxidants present in oats further contribute to cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, 2 factors closely linked to heart disease. Additionally, the magnesium and potassium found in oats support blood vessel function, aiding in the regulation of blood pressure. Another essential benefit of oats is their positive impact on blood sugar control. Individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes can benefit significantly from including oats in their diet. The fiber in oats slows down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar levels. Beta-glucans, in particular, improve insulin sensitivity, helping the body regulate glucose more effectively. Studies have demonstrated that individuals who consume oats regularly experience better glycemic control, reducing the need for medication in some cases. Choosing whole, unprocessed oats instead of instant or flavored varieties is essential, as the latter often contain added sugars that counteract these benefits. When paired with protein-rich foods like nuts, seeds, or yogurt, oats become an even more effective tool for stabilizing blood sugar levels. The digestive benefits of oats extend beyond blood sugar regulation, as they are also excellent for maintaining gut health. The prebiotic properties of oats support the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut microbiome, which is crucial for overall digestive function. A healthy gut microbiome contributes to better nutrient absorption, stronger immunity, and improved mental health. The fiber in oats aids in regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and promoting a healthy digestive system. Unlike some high-fiber foods that may cause discomfort, oats have a gentle effect on digestion, making them suitable for individuals with sensitive stomachs. For those suffering from irritable bowel syndrome or irregular digestion, oats offer a soothing and stabilizing effect, helping to regulate the intestinal environment. Another remarkable benefit of oats is their ability to provide long-lasting energy. As a complex carbohydrate, oats digest slowly, ensuring a steady release of glucose into the bloodstream. This sustained energy makes oats an excellent food choice for athletes, students, and professionals who require prolonged mental and physical endurance. Unlike sugary cereals or processed breakfast options that cause an initial energy boost followed by a crash, oats maintain stable energy levels throughout the day. The presence of B vitamins in oats further enhances their energy-boosting properties, as these vitamins play a key role in converting food into usable energy. Whether consumed in the morning or before a workout, oats provide a reliable source of fuel that keeps the body functioning optimally. Oats also contribute to healthier skin, thanks to their rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. They contain avenanthramides, a unique group of antioxidants that protect against oxidative damage and reduce inflammation. These compounds help combat free radicals, which contribute to premature aging, fine lines, and skin disorders. Additionally, the soothing effects of oats have been widely recognized in skincare, as they are often used in creams and treatments for eczema, psoriasis, and dry skin. Oat baths are a popular remedy for skin irritation, as they provide hydration and relief from itching. Consuming oats regularly enhances skin health from the inside out, making them a valuable addition to any beauty-conscious individual's diet. Strengthening the immune system is another crucial advantage of eating oats daily. The beta-glucans found in oats stimulate immune cells, enhancing the body's ability to fight off infections. This is particularly beneficial during colder months or flu season when the immune system is more vulnerable. The vitamins and minerals in oats, including zinc, selenium, and iron, further contribute to immune support. Zinc, for example, plays a vital role in wound healing and immune response, while selenium acts as an antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Consuming oats regularly ensures that the body has the necessary nutrients to maintain a robust immune defense. For those engaged in fitness and muscle-building activities, oats offer valuable support for muscle recovery and growth. Although not a high-protein food on its own, oats contain a good balance of macronutrients that contribute to muscle health. The carbohydrates in oats provide energy for workouts, while their moderate protein content aids in muscle repair. When paired with protein-rich foods, such as eggs, yogurt, or protein powder, oats become an excellent post-workout meal. Additionally, the amino acids in oats assist in muscle recovery by reducing soreness and promoting tissue repair. This makes oats a preferred choice among athletes looking for a natural and effective way to support their training. Beyond physical health, oats have a notable impact on mental well-being. The presence of complex carbohydrates in oats helps regulate serotonin levels, a neurotransmitter that influences mood and relaxation. This explains why consuming oats can have a calming effect, reducing stress and anxiety. The magnesium found in oats further enhances their mood-boosting properties, as this mineral is essential for nerve function and stress reduction. Regular consumption of oats has been linked to improved cognitive function, better focus, and reduced symptoms of depression. For individuals dealing with high levels of stress or anxiety, incorporating oats into their diet may provide a natural way to enhance mental resilience and emotional stability. Lastly, oats offer a versatile and convenient way to maintain a healthy diet. They can be enjoyed in numerous ways, from traditional oatmeal and overnight oats to smoothies, granola bars, and baked goods. This versatility makes it easy to incorporate oats into daily meals without monotony. Additionally, oats are affordable and widely accessible, making them an economical choice for individuals looking to eat healthily on a budget. Unlike processed foods that require artificial additives for flavor, oats pair well with natural ingredients like fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices, allowing for a variety of delicious and nutritious meal options. In summary, the benefits of eating oats daily extend far beyond their reputation as a simple breakfast food. From aiding in weight loss and promoting heart health, regulating blood sugar, and improving digestion, oats provide a wide range of health advantages. Their ability to boost energy levels, support the immune system, enhance skin health, aid muscle recovery, and improve mental well-being makes them a true superfood. The ease of incorporating oats into different meals further solidifies their place as a dietary staple for anyone seeking a balanced and nutritious lifestyle. Whether consumed as a warm bowl of porridge, blended into smoothies, or baked into wholesome treats, oats offer an effortless way to improve overall health. With so many benefits packed into one simple grain, making oats a part of your daily routine is a small change that can lead to significant long-term health improvements.